Step into sleek, stylish, and modern luxury in the heart of the Big Apple with June Homes 10019 in New York, the ultimate student home designed for you. These charming non-ensuites and 1 to 2 bedroom apartments give you the comfort of your own private room with smooth hardwood floors and ample closet space for your wardrobe. Your new home also features a fully equipped kitchen with a microwave, oven, refrigerator, and dishwasher, making cooking and cleanup a breeze. Relax with cinematic movie nights on the big screen TV with radiator heating, or scroll and stream seamlessly with lightning-fast Wi-Fi. And bring your wheels along. Dedicated parking is available for added convenience. Hey, check it out. John Jay College of Criminal Justice is practically next door, and Touro University is also just a quick stroll away. Cruising through NYC is easy with buses from West 54th and West 55th Streets or the subway from 50th Street. Claim your ideal student lifestyle at June Homes 10019 in New York today via amberstudent.com before it slips away.